Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Artflow AI. Artflow AI is a powerful creative tool that allows you to generate AI-powered characters, images, videos, and stories effortlessly. Whether you're a storyteller, artist, or content creator, this tool brings your ideas to life with ease. So, first choose a studio. Artflow AI offers multiple studios depending on your creative needs. You can use the actor builder to create a unique AI generated characters. You can also choose an image studio if you want to generate AI art from the text prompts. You can use the video studio if you can want to turn text into images into animated videos. And lastly, you can use the story studio if you want to write and visualize AI generated stories. For each studio, provide a detailed text prompt describing what you want. Be specific about the characters, their appearance, expressions, and outfits, the settings, the backgrounds, lighting, and atmosphere, and the actions or the movement, interaction, and emotion. So, for example, I'll use a young wizard dressed in a blue robe with a golden embroidery discovers an ancient spell book on a hidden forest. The moonlight casts an mystical glow as he flips through the pages, unlocking forgotten magic. And then step 3 is click generate and let your Artflow AI do the work. You can regenerate for a different variation, edit and redefine your better accuracy. And then once satisfied, click download and use the creation for storytelling or writing, animation or videos, and you can also use in art and design if you want to create characters, poster or concept art. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.